Once upon a time, there was a beautiful pastel kingdom called Roseglow Valley. The houses shined in pink and lavender colors. Flowers bloomed everywhere. Butterflies danced happily in the air. In this magical kingdom lived a kind and stylish girl named Luna. Luna loved pretty dresses and shiny shoes. She loved helping others smile. But inside her heart, Luna felt unsure. She often looked at other girls and thought, "She is prettier than me. She dances better than me. She is smarter than me." And every time Luna thought this way, her smile slowly faded. One day, the queen made a big announcement. "Tomorrow," she said, "we will choose the crown of confidence. This crown does not go to the prettiest girl. It goes to the girl who truly believes in herself." All the girls felt excited, but Luna felt nervous. "What if I am not enough?" she whispered. That night, Luna sat alone in her room. Soft moonlight touched her mirror. Suddenly, the mirror began to glow. A beautiful fairy stepped out, shining in gentle pink light. "I am Bella, the fairy of confidence," she said kindly. "The crown is already inside you, Luna. You just need to believe." The next morning, the celebration began. The first challenge was kindness. Some girls rushed to show off, but Luna quietly helped a younger girl fix her broken ribbon. The fairy smiled. The second challenge was creativity. Girls sang and danced. Luna felt scared. She was not the best dancer, but she remembered Bella's words. Luna gently made a flower crown, using simple petals and love. Everyone admired it. The fairy smiled brighter. The final challenge was confidence. Each girl stepped on stage and said one thing she loved about herself. When it was Luna's turn, her heart beat fast. She took a deep breath and said softly, "I love my kind heart. I love that I try, even when I am afraid." Suddenly, a warm golden light surrounded Luna. The queen stood up and smiled. "Luna," she said, "you already wear the crown of confidence." A magical crown appeared above Luna's head. Luna understood something important. Confidence is not about being perfect. It is about loving who you are. From that day on, Luna smiled brighter and helped others believe in themselves too.
The little star who was afraid to shine. High above the world in a quiet night sky lived a little star named Luma. Luma was small and shy. She watched the big stars sparkle brightly and thought, "I'm too tiny. My light doesn't matter." So every night, Luma dimmed her glow and hid behind the clouds. One evening, far below on Earth, a lost traveler walked through a dark forest. The moon was hidden. The path was unclear. Fear filled his heart. Just then, the clouds slowly moved, and Luma peeked out. Her light was small, very small, but it touched the ground like a soft whisper. The traveler noticed it. "A light." He smiled. "Someone is guiding me." Step by step, he followed that gentle glow and safely found his way home. Up in the sky, Luma saw the traveler's happiness. Her tiny heart filled with warmth. "My light helped," she realized. Even small light can chase away darkness. From that night on, Luma shone with courage. She didn't try to be the brightest. She just tried to be herself, and the night sky was more beautiful because of it. Moreau, you don't have to be big to make a difference. Even a small light can change someone's world.
Once upon a time, there was a small green forest. The forest was full of tall trees. In this forest lived a little rabbit named Rico. Rico was white and fluffy. He had long ears and bright eyes. He loved to jump, run, and play all day. Rico lived with his mother rabbit and father rabbit. His parents loved him very much. They always cared for him. Every morning, Mother Rabbit said, "Rico, you may play near our home, but do not go outside the forest, without me or your father." Father Rabbit also said, "The world outside is big and dangerous. Wait until we are with you." Rico always nodded and said, "Yes, Mama. Yes, Papa." But deep inside, Rico was very curious. Mother Rabbit went to collect carrots. Father Rabbit went to look for fresh water. Rico was alone at home. Rico played with his ball. Then he saw something shiny far away. It was outside the forest gate. Rico thought, "I will just take a quick look. Mama and Papa will not know." He hopped. Hop. Hop. Slowly. He went outside the forest. At first, everything looked exciting. Big roads. Strange smells. Loud sounds. Suddenly, a big dog started barking. Woof. Woof. Rico got scared. His heart beat fast. He ran as fast as he could. Then he fell into a muddy pit. His paws were dirty. He could not climb out. Rico cried, "Help! Help! Mama! Papa!" But no one heard him. After some time, Mother Rabbit returned home. She did not see Rico. She became worried. Father Rabbit also came back. They looked everywhere. Mother Rabbit saw tiny muddy footprints. They led outside the forest. "Oh no," she cried. Rico went out alone. The parents ran quickly. They followed the footprints. They listened carefully. Then they heard a soft cry. "Help! Help!" They found Rico in the pit. They pulled him out gently. They hugged him tightly. Mother Rabbit said softly, "Rico, we were so scared." Father Rabbit said kindly, "The world outside can hurt you." Rico looked down. Tears rolled from his eyes. "I am sorry," he said. "I did not listen. I went out alone." Mother Rabbit cleaned his paws. Father Rabbit held him close. "We love you," they said. "That is why we make rules." That night, Rico slept safely at home. He felt warm and happy. From that day on, Rico never went outside alone. He waited for his parents. He listened carefully. He learned an important lesson.